Hello there, everyone. Welcome to Section 2 of our LinkedIn Ads video training series, LinkedIn Ads Step by Step. In this section of our training, we are going to walk you through LinkedIn's basic advertising features, step by step, and we are going to show you how to advertise on LinkedIn from the moment that you log into your LinkedIn account right to launching your first ad. The videos in this section include LinkedIn Walkthrough, creating a company page, Campaign Manager Walkthrough, creating a sponsored content ad, creating a text ad, and creating an in-mail ad. So, let's get started with the very first step, knowing the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn Walkthrough. LinkedIn is not only elemental for professional networking, but also for business-to-business advertising. That is a given by now, and we are going to assume that you are already signed up on the platform. If not, we invite you to create a free account before you proceed to watch the rest of this video. Still there? Awesome! Let's start by signing in to LinkedIn. You will land on the newsfeed right after you sign in, just like when you sign in to any other social networking site. As you can see, the newsfeed page is also the home page, as clicking on the home button on the top bar from any other section will take you back to here. And just like on any other social networking site, you will be able to create posts and updates from the newsfeed. To do so, you will simply have to click on the Share an Article, Photo, Video, or Idea box on top of your newsfeed. Now, this content creation box has some interesting features. Click on the Write Article button, and you will be taken to a new page on your browser from where you will be able to draft, create, and publish an article using advanced formatting features. You can click on the Image button to upload an image to your post, and you can click on the camera icon button to upload a video to your post. LinkedIn has an instant messaging feature as well, and you can find it on the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Let's now move over to the left-hand column, where you will see a link to your profile, a shortcut link to update your profile, and a link to your connections. Right below the post box, you will find the People You May Know column, which will show you LinkedIn profiles that are recommended to you as new connections based on information in your own profile. Scroll down further and you will find the actual newsfeed content, which includes updates, trending posts, and sponsored content posts. On the right-hand column on top, you'll find the What People Are Talking About section, where you'll find trending news and stories among professionals in the platform. Right below is an advertising space where you will find more promoted content as well as promoted job listings. Let's now look at the elements on the top bar from left to right, starting in the search bar, which will allow you to make searches by either using keywords or by filtering searches by people, jobs, and posts. Next up is the My Network tab, which will take you to a section where you will be able to manage your professional network. On the left-hand side, you will see a box from where you can see your connections, and from which you can use the Find Connections link to locate other professional profiles on the platform by importing a contact list from your email addresses. You will be able to use a simplified version of this feature back on the network section in the Add Personal Contacts box. From here, you will be able to also see your pending invitations, as well as a list of people you may know with profile suggestions. Let's now click on the Jobs tab. Here, you will be able to manage your saved jobs, your applied jobs, and to post a job if you're looking for talent. In the jobs that you might be interested in box, you will find job post suggestions based on the information in your profile. Now, you can also search for jobs in this section by using the search bars on top. The first one will allow you to search jobs by title, keyword, or company, and the second one will allow you to search jobs by location. You can use both search bars to find job postings using keywords and locations as filters, and then clicking on the search button. Let's now click on the Messaging tab. In this section, you will be able to manage your correspondence with other users and companies. Here, you will be able to access your received messages, to read your messages, to use the Search Messages bar to locate specific messages, and to use the Compose a New Message button to create correspondence. Lastly, you can click on the Notifications tab to access and manage your notifications. Let's now click on the Me tab. The Me tab is a drop-down menu that will give you access to your profile, to your account settings, and to your account's activity. The first option available is the View Profile link, which will take you to your LinkedIn profile. Now, it will not only allow you to view your profile, but also edit it from top to bottom. Here, you will find the option to add new profile section, to include additional professional information to your profile, such as background information including work experience, education, and volunteer experience. You can also add your skills and your accomplishments. You can use the Edit Public Profile feature to customize your public profile, which is the preview profile that people not signed up to LinkedIn can see. You can use the Add Profile in Another Language feature to create your profile in a different language to make it easier for professionals and businesses from other locations to check your profile information. You'll have the options to update your background photo, your profile picture, your name, your intro headline, and your current job position. You can click on the Contact and Personal Info link to the right to add specific contact and personal information such as phone numbers, addresses, email addresses, and birth dates. You can also add experience and interests to your profile. Back on the Me menu, you will have the Account and the Manage submenus. Let's start by clicking on the Settings and Privacy submenu tab. There, you will be able to edit your account settings, including your basic account information such as email address, password, and language, your partners and third-party settings, your subscription settings, and other advanced account settings. From there, you will also be able to edit your privacy settings and your communication settings. Now, by clicking on the Help Center tab from this submenu, you will be able to access LinkedIn's support library. You can use the Language tab to change your language the easy way. Let's now look at the Manage submenu. Let's start by clicking on the Posts and Activities submenu tab. In this section, you will be able to check and manage your LinkedIn activity, including your articles, your posts, and your interests. The Job Postings tab will allow you to manage your job postings. Lastly, the Sign Out tab will allow you to sign out of LinkedIn with a simple click. Now, there are 3 additional tabs on this top bar menu. The Learning tab will take you to the InLearning platform, which is LinkedIn's paid knowledge library. The Post to Job tab will take you to the same job posting section available from the Account submenu. Lastly, you will find the Work tab. By clicking on this tab, you will find a menu with business-oriented solutions offered by LinkedIn. These LinkedIn products include job postings, advertising products, LinkedIn groups, and the SlideShare platform. Additionally, you'll also be offered access to other LinkedIn business services, including talent solutions, sales solutions, and learning solutions. The last option available on this menu is the Create a Company Page option, which will allow you to create a LinkedIn page for your business. We will be showing you how to create your own company page in our next video, so make sure to tune in.